Alright, just got down the field after work. It's about 3 o'clock. Charlie's been brushing this up nice. So he's still going at it. We just stopped for some, because it's bloody hot. It's like 34 degrees. So yeah, look, he's took off the exhaust that we said about the other day. Fuel lines and brake lines and that. So the chassis is basically clear other than prop and axle and handbrake. Not bad.
Hey James, if I rub sun cream into you, will you rub it into me?
No. Charlie's masked the truck up. He's masked off all the areas where he don't want paint, like the wheels and the tyres.
Don't rub off.
And he's wearing his respirator. Ain't you, bud?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We do things properly around here.
Properly. So he's just giving it a coat. Huh?
I'm going to put these on the magnet fishing tonight.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. See, who says men can't multitask? Look, he's spraying his chassis and he's spraying up a couple of grappling hooks as well. Yeah, boy. So we're going to replace the load comp, won't we, Charlie?
Yep.
And the rear axle's going to get a spruce up anyway. Rear dampers are being changed. Front dampers are being changed. Front arms are being switched over. New bushes and everything. Obviously that's new. That's going to be new. That's going to be new. Yeah. Overhaul.
Oh, it says you're not meant to breathe this in. It says wear protective gloves, protective clothing and eye protection and face protection. If on skin or hair, take off all contaminated clothing, rinse skin with water / shower. If in eyes, rinse continuously in water for several minutes. Remove contact lenses. Oh. Well, I ain't got contact lenses, so I think I'll be alright.
Cleaned out the housings. I've took the sticks off, look, they're there. Breathers are switched in. Just got to do slave and release bearing. Let's have a look what Charlie's doing. You sprayed the fucking power steering reservoir.
Got another one.
Oh well, got another one.
Got to get everything, haven't we?
Ain't it? It looks like you have.
Well, doing that. Might give it a couple of nice braking strikes when it's going round.
Oh. So this is kind of like first coat, blitz everything, and then once we get all the bits from Mazda, obviously we're going to take a couple more bits off and fit them. We shall tart up any areas that need it. Alright, so we just flipped the chassis over. We were just going to hang it up and spray underneath it, and then we thought actually there's no arm really. Just flipping the thing over. You could go under it with the wire wheel as well.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that'd probably make more sense, wouldn't it?
That would, eh? That would. Yeah. Nice. Right.
Nice.
Get the needle gun, the wire wheel, and fucking bang at it, man. Brilliant, really. Just blast everything away. Alright, so Charlie's cracking away, doing the wire brushing. And all that. He's done the bottom face so far. Looks a bit round, doesn't he? Fuck. We'll go again, shall we? Basically, you give it a pressure wash, didn't we? Power wash it?
Fuck it, I snow foamed it as well.
Snow foam, blew it all down, TFR, and then didn't you splash some thinners over it or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then blew it down, and yeah, so it actually wants a bloody bubble bath. But on the good side, guys, look at the chassis. Look how mint this is. Woohoo!
Wanker.
Look at that. That's like brand new, Charlie. Round 2. We flipped it over. We've gone over it with the needle gun again, and got all the loose bits off like that. Now Charlie's giving it a little spray over. It's not too bad actually, you know, once you get the top layer, it's actually really nice. I wouldn't say it's not even got a lot of rust on it. The back cross, remember, that usually rots out tank side, had a little bit of crust on it. Went over at the needle scaler expecting, you know, ooh, it's going to be a bit cheesy. And she's solid. So, it's a good chassis. Keep it fresh. Sweet. So we flipped over mainly so we can do the bottom, because obviously that's the bit that gets rusty as well. So we can do underneath everything, you see. And the prop.
Why not? While we're here.
Charlie's been working with thinners. He's got a thinners rag. Oh, what? That was a bit anticlimactic.
I told you that was just thinners. Look at all the thinners we've just wasted. Could have used that in the chassis.
You could have used it. I'm going to show you guys a little trick. This is like a little hack, alright? You got your shitty old bush, yeah? Watch this. So you take one shitty old bush. Yeah, still better than Milner's. She's looking nice. So, obviously there's still a few tweaks to be had to the chassis, you know, there's going to be torsion bar, tweak, lift shackles, new leaves, you know, that's why we're not bothered about the bloody overspray. Charlie's putting his mud pluggers on there, and then he's keeping the rims as spares because he's got obviously 3 ones now because one fucked in the crash, so one back on the truck. He's got 2 spares and then an alloy spare wheel as well, which is cool. I might change these pipes, I don't know. I don't like the fact they've got overspray on them. So, yeah. Anyways, we might replace these rubbers. The diff's all good. Feels nice, you know. She's nice. And yeah, we're going to strip those brake hoses off. He's going to get a spare set of calipers off me and refurb them and then bolt them back on. So it's pretty much going to be a new truck. This is the bed. Again, the bed's nice condition really. There's a little bump here and here, but paintwork wise she's alright. A few bits we took off, obviously. But yeah, that's going to get sprayed, I think. You think he's going to get it resprayed because the back tailgate's got some rust on it. So you might get that sorted, slap that back on. From what we saw of the chassis the other day, it's actually been really well looked after. Like the whole truck's pretty much come apart quite nicely. The chassis is in good nick, and then obviously we've made it better. Yeah, golden.